Environment is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. Protect natural habitats.
We must protect natural habitats to ensure wildlife can thrive.
2. Reduce carbon emissions.
Using public transportation, such as bus or subway, can effectively help reduce carbon emissions.
3. Conservation of biodiversity.
Conserving biodiversity, including the variety of plant and animal species, is essential for maintaining ecosystem balance.
4. Address climate change.
To effectively address climate change, governments and industries must collaborate to use renewable energy and reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
5. Deforestation and reforestation.
Deforestation leads to habitat loss, while reforestation helps restore it.
6. Pollution control measures.
Factories must adopt pollution control measures to minimize environmental harm.
7. Preserving endangered species.
Immediate steps must be taken to preserve endangered species from extinction.
8. Reducing waste generation.
Reducing waste generation can be achieved by recycling and composting.
9. Avoid single-use plastics.
To protect the environment, it's important to avoid single-use plastics and use reusable or cloth bags instead.
10. Promoting eco-friendly alternatives.
Promoting eco-friendly alternatives like paper straws encourages people to choose options that are good for the environment.
11. Organize environmental awareness campaigns.
Schools often organize environmental awareness campaigns to educate students on the importance of protecting our Earth.
12. Recycling and upcycling.
Recycling and upcycling materials can significantly reduce landfill waste.
13. Keep a balanced ecosystem.
Planting trees and protecting wildlife are essential actions to keep a balanced ecosystem.
14. Reduce carbon footprint.
Walking or cycling instead of driving can help reduce your carbon footprint.
15. Protect freshwater resources.
Protecting freshwater resources is vital for human health and agriculture.
16. Directly affects our health and well-being.
Air pollution directly affects our health and well-being by causing respiratory problems and other diseases.
17. Rapid urban development.
Rapid urban development often leads to the destruction of natural habitats and an increase in pollution.
18. Raise awareness among the community.
Local organizations are working to raise awareness among the community about the importance of recycling and reducing waste.
19. Plants absorb pollutants.
Certain types of plants absorb pollutants from the air, helping to improve air quality in urban areas.
20. Overconsumption of resources.
Overconsumption of resources, like water and fossil fuels, contributes to environmental degradation and climate change.
21. Burning fossil fuels.
Burning fossil fuels generates lots of greenhouse gases, contributing significantly to global warming.
22. Provide subsidies for renewable energy.
Governments should provide subsidies for renewable energy sources, such as solar power, to encourage their use.
23. Support a healthy planet.
Recycling, reducing waste, and conserving water are simple ways to support a healthy planet.
24. Create and enforce laws.
It's essential to create and enforce laws that protect endangered species.
25. Industrial activities contribute to emissions.
Industrial activities such as manufacturing and mining contribute to emissions that harm the environment.
That's the end of the phrases. Now, let's look at some questions about environment. Try to use the phrases we just covered to answer these questions. Part 1. Do you think it's important to protect the environment? Why or why not? What do you do to help protect the environment? Do you think pollution is a big problem nowadays? What kinds of environmental problems are common in your country? Do you think there is enough awareness about environmental issues in schools? Do you think people in your country are concerned about the environment? Have you ever participated in any environmental events? Part 2. Describe an environmental problem in your country. You should say what the problem is, where it happens, how it affects the environment, and explain what should be done to solve it. Part 3. What are the causes of environmental damage? How can individuals make a difference in protecting the environment? Do you think governments should do more to protect the environment? Do you think it's important to protect wild animals? Why? What can be done to help protect wild animals? Do you think older people have as much awareness of environmental problems as the younger generation? What causes climate change? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.